Kahapon, yung Ebanghelyo, seeking a sign, no? Nandiyan na yung sign, hindi makita, no? Parang bulag. The same way today, again, do you have eyes but do not see, no? Do you have ears but do not hear, no? You do not understand. And then tomorrow again, it is about the blind man na pinagaling na para hindi maintindihan, hindi makita, hindi maunawaan si Jesus. Bakit, no? Bakit? Maganda yung nagsimula, no, yung ebanghelyo natin, how Jesus with his disciples nakalimutan magdala, no? Nakalimutan magdala ng tinapay, no? Yung baon nila sa paglalakbay, nakalimutan. Marami tayong bagay-bagay nakakalimutan, no? We are forgetful, no? Dahil bakit ba tayo nakakalimot, di ba? Dahil ulyanin na, no? Matanda na. That can be a reason, but more importantly, I think many times we forget, pati mga bata nakakalimutan because walang mindfulness, walang awareness. Laging yung isip kung saan-saan, no? Nandito, nasa misa, pero yung isip, naku, nasa trabaho na, o nasa gawain na sa bahay, o kung nasa na, no? We are not present in the moment. So we keep forgetting. We are here but not here because we forget many things. Regarding pagiging ulyanin, no, be forgetful because of old age. For example, we have to exercise our minds. Baka kulang sa exercise. But for those who really are forgetful because of Alzheimer or because of what other illnesses that come along our way, we really have to trust in God, no? Everything for a reason, no? We put what is more essential and not what is external. So, being forgetful because we are not mindful, no? Lagi tayong kung ano-ano iniisip, no? We forget that. That is why we keep forgetting what is important. And then, sabi niya, do not be like the leaven. Ano ba yung leaven ng tinapay? Lebadura, no? Ano ba to? Pampaalsa ng tinapay. So yung kaminsan, there are many symbols of itong lebadura na ito, yung pampaalsa, maraming simbolo. We'll talk about two things. Nagpapaalsa, walang laman, malaki nga, di ba? Naalala niyo yung pandesal, di ba? Yung pandesal natin, puros hangin. Laki-laki nga, pero wala naman laman, puro hangin, di ba? Pero dati yung pandesal natin, maliit lang, pero solid, no? Solid naman, ano? So that does not be like a leaven, puro hangin. No? Because of that, we are preoccupied with many, many things. The essentials are taken for granted. Again, no? Because of external, empty, puro hangin lang, no? At wala naman talagang, walang laman, walang pundasyon ni Jesus. And also, the leaven is a symbol of paano na yung isang maliit na lebadura, isang maliit na yeast, nahahawa, nakakahawa. This may be good or bad, no? Pero ang kasalanan, for example, ang dali kumalat, no? Isang maliit na kasalanan, pero ang dali-dali kumalat. So be careful. Because of this, we may not see, we may not understand, no? Bakit hindi natin manawaan, no? Because of being mindless, not being mindful of the things, because of the effect of sin. Because of this, we do not see the hand of God. Hindi natin makita. Lastly, I will just repeat, no, what we mentioned, what I might add to yesterday. We do not see because we become impatient also. No? Gusto natin instant. Gusto natin instant. We like miracles. Naku, makita ko saan ang kamay ng Diyos. Agad, no? So that I may understand. Hindi instant eh. Kahapon, di ba, we want signs. Para wala nang dasal-dasal, wala nang discernment, wala nang proseso. Gusto ko instant. Himala. I may see. Show me a sign. Hindi na ako magdadasal. Hindi na ako magpapakahirap na mag-discern ano yung kamay ng Diyos. So we fall trap into this. We pray as we continue to see the hand of God in our lives. Na unti-unti, dahan-dahan, itong prosesong to, umaalsa yung ating pananampalataya sa Panginoon Diyos. We ask our patron, like most Tuesdays, we ask St. Anthony of Padua to help us in truly seeking Christ, to help us become better followers of Christ as we thank God for this celebration once again.